Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. 3 Pictures Composition for Beginners. Picture 1. A happy family in the garden. The picture shows a family of 4 standing in front of their house. The father is carrying the son on his shoulders with a cheerful smile. The mother is holding the daughter's hand while standing in the garden. The daughter looks happy and holds a small purse in her hand. There are 2 pets, a dog and a cat, accompanying the family. The golden retriever sits happily on the grass, wagging its tongue. A small pug stands near the daughter, looking curious. The family is surrounded by a green lawn and colorful flowers. Tall trees with lush green leaves frame the scene beautifully. The house in the background has a sloping roof and a chimney. The brick wall adds a rustic touch to the surroundings. The family looks well-dressed and joyful. The sky is clear and bright blue, indicating a sunny day. Everyone seems to enjoy spending quality time outdoors. The daughter wears a yellow and orange outfit that matches the vibrant scene. The mother's polka-dotted dress is elegant and summery. The father wears casual jeans and a white t-shirt. The son is dressed in a striped shirt and blue pants. The pets appear to be part of the family's happy dynamic. Overall, it depicts a perfect family moment full of happiness and warmth. Picture 2. Family feeding their cats. This image shows a family of 4 sitting together to feed their cats. The mother is pouring food into the cat's bowl while smiling warmly. A young boy is joyfully holding a small kitten on his lap. The father is seated with one hand on his knee, looking at the boy. A teenage girl with red hair is kneeling next to her family, enjoying the moment. 2 cats, one orange and one brown, are eating from bowls. The cat food box is placed on the ground near the family. The orange tabby kitten looks eager and happy as it eats. The brown cat looks more relaxed and comfortable. The family is dressed casually, reflecting a cozy atmosphere. The son is wearing a blue striped t-shirt and blue pants. The mother wears a light purple shirt and blue jeans. The father has glasses and wears a light green or mint green shirt and turquoise pants. The teenage girl's hair is tied in a braid, and she wears a blue outfit. The scene suggests a nurturing bond between the family and their pets. Everyone appears to be enjoying this shared activity. The expressions show love and care for the animals. The focus is on the cats, emphasizing their importance to the family. The bright indoor lighting enhances the warmth of the moment. The family reflects teamwork, care, and togetherness while feeding their pets. Picture 3. 2 friends on a park bench. The scene shows 2 kids sitting on a bench in a park, engaged in conversation. The boy, with curly orange hair, seems to be telling an exciting story. The girl, with blonde pigtails, is laughing and listening intently. A brown dog stands nearby, watching the children. The dog has a red collar and looks playful and friendly. The park is filled with greenery, including grass and small flowers. A blue backpack is placed on the ground next to the bench. The backpack has a smiley face design, adding a fun touch. The boy is wearing green shorts and a striped green shirt. The girl is dressed in a blue t-shirt and jeans, keeping it casual. The children look comfortable and cheerful in each other's company. The park's surroundings are peaceful, with no other people in sight. The wooden bench adds a rustic element to the setting. Bright sunlight filters through the park, creating a pleasant vibe. The kids appear to be sharing a strong friendship. The flowers scattered across the grass enhance the scenic beauty. The dog seems attentive and ready to play with the children. The kids' animated expressions reflect a lively discussion. The combination of laughter and nature creates a joyful atmosphere. The scene symbolizes a simple yet memorable day in the park. Subscribe the channel for more videos.